In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact eBay for help via email, or rather we'll explore the options available for contacting eBay, since reaching them directly through a traditional email isn't part of their usual process. Firstly, it's important to know that eBay does not offer a direct customer service email address for general support, which might be a bit surprising given the conventional routes we've grown accustomed to. However, don't be discouraged because they do provide several secure channels through which you can effectively get assistance. These include messaging them directly, utilizing chat options, requesting a callback, or even reaching out via social media support. Now, let's start by navigating to ebay.com help/home. This page serves as your gateway to a variety of support options that eBay has put in place. Once you're on the site, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Contact Us option. This link will lead you to a key section designed to address customer queries. After clicking Contact Us, you'll need to select the issue you're facing. eBay has organized this efficiently by categorizing different types of inquiries, whether your concern is about returns, account issues, selling, or other topics. Pick the category that best describes your predicament. This selection helps streamline the process as it guides you to the most relevant help resources. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the page, where you can click on Chat with our automated assistant. This is a strategic move, as eBay offers a sophisticated chat function powered by AI technology. Clicking this option will open a chat box to the right side of your screen. In the chat box, you're presented with an opportunity to directly type in your query. Be sure to clearly articulate your issue or request. The AI assistant is designed to answer frequently asked questions efficiently. Its wealth of knowledge spans across various topics, making it a helpful resource to understand and resolve basic issues. However, if your query is beyond the assistant's capabilities, or you prefer human assistance, don't hesitate to request to talk to an agent. By voicing your need for an agent, the system channels you to the appropriate next steps, ensuring a path to resolving your concern. These options highlight eBay's commitment to providing support while integrating the convenience and responsiveness that digital communication offers. Although the absence of a direct email might seem inconvenient at first, the alternative methods available on eBay might just offer the right balance between efficiency and personalization to solve your issues promptly.